How's it going, everyone? It's one of everyone's worst ticker, probably. I'm going to talk about ticker MULN. I made good money back on July 30th, and then some previous examples I made good money on. The market's been absolutely terrible, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. Follow this system, you'll be profitable, and always take profit, guys. Don't ever think that the market can't take back the profit, because that's what happened on July 30th. Everyone that was in my Discord know that I got out of MULN, and you could see right in here in my swing trade alerts, um, right here, where's MULN at? Out of MULN 1.30, and I added MULN at 1.15. I had an average about 120, and so I took it at 1.30 because it was just right at the EMA 10. I felt, a lot of resistance is there, and it's better to take the gains. It went all the way to almost 1.40. Nice little gain. I will take it, and because I'm glad I did it, because look what happens is you guys got to realize is EMA 10 is usually rejection point, and then we get in at a new low. And that's really what's going on with MULN. I have a nice trend channel now because we can physically see that there is clear support right here. There's going to be resistance up in here, and there's going to be clear support back down here. So when we're looking at this thing, we got to evaluate, we have a clear trend channel that makes sense. We knew price had to touch the EMA 10, so we accumulated our averages at the ATR4, which is this bottom band here, and we had this big run up of over 20 to 30% run. It was awesome, good run up here, and that's all we needed. We are not greedy. We don't have to go straight up to the EMA 20, which is the end goal, because we know that we have a nice trend channel here, and there's going to be resistance if we get near it, and that's really what you're seeing right in here. Can you get a little bit above it? Yes. But like I said, guys, when I make a video and I said I'm bullish, I am bullish. I bought it in the Discord. I alerted it. I made good money on it. But you got to take the profit. This is not like NVIDIA where you can hold it forever and think this is going to keep going up when it does. The minute it's green, this is where the new people who buy think it's going to make that big run up, and then new bag holders right in here now. That's how the cycle works. I get in early and we sell. And I alerted it quite, as you can see in the Discord, out of MULN 1.30, taking the win here as it was a hard one. The market's really red. Why fight the market? When this thing is green, we got to take the profit, guys. And you got to look at the market sentiment. Here's MULN. I can see where everyone's pissed about this. It was at 7.85. We're less than $1. But as you can see with the system, I played this thing so many times. Right in here was another play I did. I took the minor gains. Obviously, I took it at the 10. It goes to the 20. That's totally fine. And it goes even higher and higher. But the thing is, you take the gains, because what happens is, you see this candle going down. It could have kept going down, but like I said, the name of the game is to take the consistent 10 to 20% profits. That's really, really what it is. Right in here, we get close to the ATR4, we pump. Right in here, we get close to the ATR4, we pump. There is a very consistent theme with MULN, and we have been making plenty and plenty of money. Right in here, I took it way long ago, back in 2023. It pumped to the EMA 5, making well over 16, 20, 30% gains here, giving us another entry just like it is now, and it pumps. It is consistently pumping at the ATR4, which is this bottom band here, and it's consistently hitting the EMA 20. Anything that does not touch the EMA 20 in 2 months time frame is extremely long, and you need to look to take an entry according to what the trend channel says and where your bottom band is. That's what we're seeing right here, guys. EMA 20, down. EMA 20, down. EMA 20, down. And it's going to keep doing it, and this is all algo driven. This is literally all algo driven. That's all we're looking for, is algos to revert it to the mean and to come back down. Revert it to the mean and come back down. But we're not just taking any of these trades, right? We're going to take the trades that make the most sense, and this is where I took this trade. I am happy to get in again. I'll keep playing the 10 to 20% win. I'll keep playing this channel here. It's well respected. It's nice support. As you can see, we're just now at the ATR4 hit, which is this bottom band here. This is a strong loading zone. Yes, it can go a little below it. That's totally fine. But we have now a solid trend channel that we know will act as support. 78 cents is probably, as of now, dead bottom, in my opinion, before it bounce up. Could it go lower than 78 after a big move up? Absolutely. This thing went up to $7 and it plummeted all the way back under $1. I'm not saying MULN is not a good stock, but I am saying with this strategy and how I trade pennies is a good stock, is a good style. All pennies do this, guys. I mean, some pennies do it worse than others, but MULN is a good stock, and here's the reason why. We have EMA 20 all the way back in here. I showed you consistently that the EMA 20 will get hit. It will get hit repeatedly and consistently. It has to get hit. The algos have to take it to the EMA 20 before the next move down. And when it gets too long, they usually rush it up to the 20. So we have a 531 touch. How convenient. The algos do it perfectly, and rejection right at this point. So EMA 20, 531, and we have 802. So 631, 731, we're over 2 months. So I should suspect this to head back up to the EMA 10. We tried to weaken it. We actually didn't touch it. I suspect an EMA 10 touch very soon for a nice, easy gain again. I'm telling you, this will be a nice gain. If you look at the percentage calculator, let's just say you're buying this thing at the lows here, and you go to that EMA 20, you're looking at a 38% gain. It will give that. Sure, that might not be a lot for a lot of the people that bought in $2, $3, $4, $5, but you got to change your system up. I'm here to teach traders. I'm here to give you guys precise entries. I'm here to give you guys bottom reversals and how to play in any market. And this market is absolutely terrible, and we're still making money. So if you guys want to join the Discord, you can. The next target is EMA 10. We didn't touch it. And then the final target is the 20. Look for entries at the ATR4 or lower trend channel touch, and you will be totally fine, guys. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Like I said, this is a very great system. Over 100% win ratio as of now for the swing tradings. Doing this exact strategy in the past 6 months, 7 months, 8 months have not lost a trade because we have proper accumulation rules. We know that we can't control everything overnight, so we properly accumulate. We properly accumulate the right areas. Are we at the ATR4? Are we near the trend channel? When are we due for an EMA 10 or 20 touch? And we look for those areas. When we get to that EMA 10, we don't get hopium and think that it can keep going higher. We take the profits, and because that's what the market gave us. That's the only thing you can really control in the market is your risk management and your profit taking, and that's why we took it at the EMA 10, because people who don't know that is very big resistance, and how convenient it went down. MULN is a very big buy signal again. We should definitely hit the EMA 10 and then the 20. If you go to the 20, I mean, you're looking at what? A 75% rise from here. Everyone's going to be hyped up if you have an entry around here. So if you want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord. It'll be in the description. Read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you'll have to subscribe on your computer or your phone browser. Read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. And like I said, there's plenty of testimonies you can read. Plenty and plenty that how, I've changed negative accounts to positive accounts, and literally in a very short amount of time doing this. Go to the server shop in the top left, and you'll see the 2 services I offer that will trade you like a pro, and I promise you will be guaranteed to be profitable as long as you listen to me. Take the profit, know to scale in, accumulate properly. There's a lot of things you got to learn. Swing Trading Plus is $6. Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and it's the most value. You get all the alerts, more money, and more systems to do. $12 a month. Subscribe on your computer, flat rate, and you will get all these channels unlocked, even in a live stream. If you ever, wanted to say, well, how do I trade? I have questions, how to set up my chart and all that. I'll go over the live stream. I have the education here to set up your chart, how to accumulate reversals, the EMA 5 strategy. I have all these things to set you on up, along with day trade alerts. One of our alerts, in literally in a matter of 10 minutes, went up 100%. We did Apple puts, literally 1.11, and literally goes up to 1.90. You know, that one thing, I'm telling you, $12 a month, you probably have, 100 years of your service here on just one alert. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is ticker MULN. I'll be looking for another entry. We already made good profit, but I think this is going to be the big move up and the big potential. It's been respecting the bottom band here. The trend channel is close to. Everything looks good about it, and I think it's very bullish. As long as you just take your profit, accumulate properly, and do the precise entries like I say, you'll be fine, guys. Ticker MULN has been a very good stock to me, and I made thousands of dollars doing it, and so can you. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Peace out. Happy trading. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you see in the comments. Think in the comments. I read them all. Don't worry. And good or bad, I totally get it. It's a bad stock, but it's a good technical trade. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.